Here is another attempt to explain a headroom problem you could run into if you have a basement stairway. This really seems to be a big problem for people who want to remodel stairways in homes that might have been built before the 1960s. And of course, the reason for doing this is because the stairs are quite frankly dangerous and often difficult to walk up and down because the steps are too small and the risers are too tall. And here's the problem you're going to run into right here. And that's going to be the headroom clearance. And of course, I exaggerated the stairway. I have a stairway here with a 12-inch step and a 6-inch riser. Even if you make the stairway just a little bit longer, you could still see where there's going to be a problem if you already have the minimum headroom clearance. And for most of you watching this video that have basements, you're often going to be ducking your head around this point anyway, unless you're only about 5 foot tall. And I'm not about to suggest that's going to be in every case, but I've received enough questions, photographs, and videos over the years to realize this isn't going to work. You're not going to be able to use a longer stairway, even if you have the room on the ground, even if you have the room to put a platform in or winders in. The headroom could still be a problem. And a lot of times you're not going to be able to modify the headroom because you're going to have a kitchen or a bedroom above it. So if you did modify the headroom, you might end up with a 3-foot by 12-foot bedroom or a bedroom with a sloping floor. So it's probably not going to happen. And to be honest with you, I don't have a lot of options to fix something like this. Because most of the time when you do have a steep set of stairs, you either don't have enough room at the bottom to make the stairway longer, or you can't make the stairway longer by encroaching into the floor area above. Or, as I already mentioned, you're not going to be able to modify the upper area because of the needed floor space above. And let's face it, most people who are going to watch this video trying to figure out how to solve this problem are going to be living in small houses and can't afford to lose the floor space above the stairway. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.